Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liv and I'm so happy that you found me. I don't know about you guys, but I started seeing fall content so early this year, and by early I'm talking mid-August, and because of that I feel like I've been way more excited to jump from summer to fall than in the past years. I am very passionately such a summer person, but this year something about the fall vibes has just made me so excited, and clearly I've gotten an early start to fall. As you can see, my room is all decorated, and because I am so excited for this fall, I've really been trying to brainstorm some fun fall content for you guys. I just want to go all out this year with fun autumn videos. With that being said, I created a list of things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, so we're just going to be running through them one by one. Okay, so the first thing that I have written down for how to romanticize fall is fall decorating. As you can see, I have already got a head start on decorating for fall. There are so many good decorations out there for the autumn season, from Halloween decorations to just fall general decorations, and you don't necessarily have to spend a whole bucket load of money. For me, I did end up going to stores like HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and that's where I found the bulk of my decorations. But towards the end of shopping, I went into the dollar store and realized that the dollar store was filled with cute fall decorations that were all $1. So if I had gone there first, I would have saved a whole lot of money. And on top of all of that, if you just search up on Pinterest fall DIY decorations, there is a plethora of really cute crafts that you can just buy the materials for and make yourself. If you guys want some inspiration on how to decorate your room and create this fall aesthetic, you can go ahead and look at my fall room transformation video where I show you guys everything that I bought, and I also take you along with the decorating process. It definitely is not necessary to buy decorations and switch your room around for every single season, but if you do it in a way that is a little bit more affordable, it can just be a fun way to feel like you get a little refresh in your room every few months and also get into the spirit of whatever season you're in. Switch it up, get excited, and feel a little bit different. One of my absolute favorite parts of fall is fall fashion. Because it isn't one of the extreme seasons of summer or winter, you get very different temperatures throughout the fall, and for that reason, it's a very big season of layering. Although layering can be a little bit irritating sometimes because you don't know what weather to expect, it can make for some really adorable outfits. One of the best ways to really dive into fall and romanticize it is by searching around and getting some really cute fall outfits. This fall, one of the things that I am going to be trying to wear the most are really cozy sweaters. I feel like when you have a cozy sweater, it really elevates your outfit. Whether you're wearing sweats with it or a skirt with it, jeans with it, it doesn't really matter as long as the sweater stands out and is cute. So that's something that I'm going to be focusing on this fall, especially when it comes to off-the-shoulder sweaters and tops. As you can see, I feel like the off-the-shoulder elevates your look without even really trying. You can have a very basic sweater or a very basic tank, and having that off the shoulder vibe just kind of steps it up a level without changing really anything about the shirt. My personal absolute favorite part of fall, and what makes fall so special in my opinion, is all of the unique activities that you can do in the fall. These activities include apple picking, pumpkin picking, going to a corn maze, going to a haunted house, and then of course simple things that you can really do in any season like baking, reading, going to coffee shop, and things like that. I love to even go online and search for any possible fall experience that I can attend nearby me. For example, last year, a couple friends and I went to Sleepy Hollow, which was a really cute Halloween themed town. And we also went to this really cool jack-o'-lantern experience, and that is definitely something I'll never forget and something I would absolutely do again. That is really only specific to the fall. So I would definitely recommend going online, utilizing TikTok, Google, whatever search engine you prefer, and looking up fall activities near you. A great and easy way to dive into the fall spirit is through movies and television and just entertainment in general. Some examples of media that is or could be fall specific is, I know a lot of people really love watching Gilmore Girls in the fall. I personally haven't got around to watching it, but a lot of my friends love that show and swear by it. If you're looking for a good fall show, that could be a great contender. And then as far as things I have watched, I loved watching The Vampire Diaries in the fall. I watched it for the first time on my senior year of college and I could not get enough of it, and I feel like it does have a lot of very fall aesthetic or Halloween aesthetics, if you will. And for all my reality TV gurus out there like me, I love to watch the show The Traitors in the fall. It's a game show reality TV show, but it has very spooky mystery vibes, so I think it's a perfect show leading up to Halloween. And then of course we have all of the Halloween movies that we know and love, like Hocus Pocus, Halloween Town, Nightmare Before Christmas. There are so many good movies you can watch. Kind of going hand in hand with all of the amazing fall scents is all of the amazing fall foods and drinks. Some of these things that are great are pumpkin pancakes from Trader Joe's, are so incredibly delicious. I could not recommend them enough. Pumpkin flavored Cinnabons are a great one, and really just anything pumpkin flavored. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin chai. Another flavor that is popular exclusively in the fall is of course apple flavor. This can be used for apple pie, apple crisp, apple chai also. And then of course there is apple cider, which is one of the best things that you can have in my opinion that is apple flavored, as well as apple cinnamon donuts. So good. One of my absolute favorite parts of fall, and the easiest way to romanticize it, is all of the fall scents. I love to stop at Bath & Body Works and sniff all of their candles and buy new car scents and wall plugs. And also Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods all have really great candles. My personal favorite is the Sand and Fog brand. They have so many good fall smells, but overall it's just really easy to search around and find incredible smells that can plunge you right into the fall vibes just by smelling it. Something that really gets me into the fall spirit on a day-to-day basis, whether I'm just going to work or waking up and starting my morning routine, is fall music. To find fall music, I have Spotify, so I like to go on Spotify and all I do is type in fall playlist or fall aesthetic, fall vibes, any of those keywords, and there are so many playlists that you can pick from that other people have curated. And off the top of my head, some music that I really like to listen to get me into the fall spirit are the Taylor Swift albums Red and Evermore. I think they're both so fall vibey and I just love the music. Something that is completely free of cost, but that I like to do every season to give a little refresh, is to redesign my lock screen, home screen, and my app icons to match the different seasons on my phone. To customize my phone for the different seasons, I will watch a YouTube tutorial on all the best ways to utilize the new iOS features, and then I will collect a bunch of pictures off of Pinterest that match whatever aesthetic I'm going for, and then I will just pick a color scheme based on whatever season I'm in. So for example, now it's browns and red. When I do this, I also like to save that specific wallpaper combination in my phone so that when the seasons switch, I can just go back and forth between them without really having to change too many things. Planning out fun Halloween plans and creating a unique Halloween costume. I know sometimes it's hard to create Halloween plans because Halloween sometimes falls on a weekday, but if you can gather your friends and create a plan for the weekend, or even just gather your family members and all agree on celebrating together, then you can make the most of it. Halloween is one of my absolute favorite holidays because I love fashion, I love dressing up, and I just love to allow my creative juices to flow in creating a crazy Halloween costume. I know I'm in a completely different outfit right now, and that's because I'm filming this a few days later, and also I'm talking at a low voice because there's people literally right outside my room and I get embarrassed when I film in front of people. But I did feel the need to add this part into the video because it's a part of fall that is so special to me specifically, and that is taking advantage of the holiday Thanksgiving. I feel like Thanksgiving kind of goes a little bit forgotten for a lot of people because it's between Halloween and Christmas, and those are both very exciting holidays for a lot of people. So as soon as Halloween is over, I feel like people are just always rushing to Christmas. Thanksgiving is one of my personal favorite holidays because I'm extremely family oriented. I am very lucky that I have a family that I love so much, and a lot of extended family that I'm also really close with. That is a big part in why I personally like Thanksgiving. I know not everyone is as fortunate to have families that they feel as connected to, but Thanksgiving is also special because a lot of people do Friendsgiving and more chosen family type vibe. But in terms of romanticizing Thanksgiving, I have a tradition with my dad where we wake up every Thanksgiving morning and watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. If you actually sit down and watch it, the amount of talent that goes into that show is just absolutely unreal, and it is spectacular. The dancing is amazing, the singing is amazing, the parade is fun to watch. So I think it's really special if you create your own Thanksgiving traditions with your family. That's mine personally, but even if it's not a tradition, I definitely suggest that you watch that parade because it's really cool. And then on top of that, I'm not someone who is good at cooking at all whatsoever, but you can learn a new dish and make it for Thanksgiving. Or if your mom or dad is the person who cooks every year, maybe slide into the kitchen and ask how you can help. Any little way that you can help out will probably make you feel good when you actually sit down for Thanksgiving dinner. You'll feel accomplished and like you had a hand in creating the whole celebration. Although I'm not good in the kitchen, and I know that, I am pretty creative when it comes to decorations and all that stuff. So usually when we're hosting Thanksgiving at my house, I will gather decorations, cool plates, and I'll just kind of try and set up the aesthetic part of Thanksgiving. And of course, it's another excuse to dress up. I like to try and find a cute and cozy Thanksgiving outfit, usually with some sort of skirt, cute jeans, whatever you want it to be, but Thanksgiving outfits can be aesthetic and trendy and fun. Alright guys, that officially takes me to the end of the list that I've created for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed some of these ideas, and if you have any fall content that you are hoping to see from me, be sure to comment down below and I will try and bring it to life for you guys. If you did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and feel free to join my little community by subscribing. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I will see you next video. Bye! I cannot speak today. I'm forgetting what words are. One of my absolute favorite farts. How do I even say favorite farts? How? Starting over. Cut. I also like